Hello guys, hello. This is how to add a participant on the email when you have unfortunately forgotten to do it. So for example, I am composing the email to this recipient, and just for example, it is greetings. You guys want to show you when you have forgotten to someone, a participant on the email, how can you add that participant later after the email was sent. So for example, I'm saying hi or hello, and then send the email. You can see the email is sent, and I don't have now the option of bringing it back. So what can I do if I want to add a participant? For example, I want to add another person on this email where it is already sent. This is how to do it. You come here and you click reply, and then you come here and put this sign on your computer. You put this plus sign on your computer keyboard, and then you put the name or the email of someone who you want to be the participant, to add as the participant. I can put this name again for the demonstrative example. So guys, when I click send here like this, I am adding this email as the participant of that first composed email. So this person I add, now it exists as if he was also the participant of the email. So this is how you do it when you have forgotten to put some more important recipients on your email while they have already been sent. So don't worry about sending the email and end up finding out that you have forgotten to put someone. This is the way to do it. So thank you. Do subscribe on my YouTube channel and share and comment and hit the like button. Thank you very much.